going on YouTube? Sam coming here again at the box of 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen I told you about. Be able to do this quick, maybe one take hopefully. Got the mini box topper first. We got Mickey Mantle, Alex Avila, Tommy Hanson, Kevin Youkilis, Konerko, Berkman, Joe DiMaggio, Moonshots of Reggie Jackson, and Glove Stories Ben Revere. So PC card out the bat there. None of those are numbered. Okay. We got a couple of inserts here. Jeff Francoeur, Glove Stories, and Moonshots of Willie McCovey. And the mini is Jose Valverde. Autograph. Actually, I have one of these I already pulled one of these once already. Adam Lind, What Up Jays fan. Mini of Heath Bell. Gypsy back. Sliding stars of Kemp, then a sepia mini of Troy Tulowitzki, numbered, yep, 42 out of 99. And some of these might be shortcutted. I'll look later. Just trying to get this video done in one take. I've got a back card of Eddie Matthews, so that's a cool one. Not numbered. And then Moonshots, Babe Ruth. A mini of Chris Young. So we got 2 hits so far. Many of this box is Ryan Howard. Regular back. Yeah, Sliding Stars of Starlin Castro. And a mini of Roy Halladay. Straight cut back. Moonshots, Prince Fielder. Mini of Yogi Berra. Regular back. Mini game used of Ricky Romero. So it's Blue Jays Hot Box, Ryan Howard Moonshots, and regular back with Mike Schmidt. Moonshots Ralph Kiner. Mini Alex Rodriguez. Regular back. Mini of Bob Feller. Regular back. Mini Babe Ruth. Jeez, I'm getting a lot of Yankee minis. Regular back. Mini black border, Rollie Fingers. Regular back, not numbered. Blue border, parallel of Cliff Lee. It's numbered 550 out of 999. Sliding Stars of Ryan Braun. And a mini of Mike Leake. Straight cut back. Sliding Stars D. Gordon. Mini of Michael Kadire. With the Rockies, of course, and that's a straight cut back. Sliding Stars Dustin Pedroia. Mini of Lou Brock. Straight cut. Glove Stories. Andy Chavez. Mets. Moonshots Albert Pujols. Mini green of Scott Baker. Regular back, not numbered. Glove Stories, Ken Griffey Jr. Moonshots, Frank Robinson. Mini of Ernie Banks. Regular back. Glove Stories, Josh Hamilton. That's a cool design one. Evan Longoria, Moonshots. Zach Greinke, Mini. Regular. Mini of Matt Kemp. Gypsy back. Here's the other autograph. Alcides Escobar. Not a bad one. He had a good year. Mini of Ken Griffey Jr. Gypsy back. Four packs left, probably mostly this place. Mini, this has got a Gypsy back of Jordan Walden. It's backwards in the pack. Sliding Stars, Andrew McCutcheon. And a mini black border of Buster Posey, I believe. Yep. Last two packs here. Sliding Stars, Nyjer Morgan. Mini of Mark Melancone, Red Sox, regular back. And last pack. Sliding Stars, Jamal Weeks, and mini of Billy Butler. Regular back. Well, that's it, guys. I think I did better with this box than I did with the Topps update I busted a while back. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.